So we're going to make sweet and sour pork today. This is really simple version that we're going to do. It is really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's get started by making our simple sweet and sour. In the center, I've got 1 cup of white vinegar. This is a cane vinegar, but you can use a different type of vinegar if you want. 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy. The soy sauce that I'm using today is a dark one, but it's not thick. And 3 star anise. Very simply, we're going to get to the cooker and heat that up. So I've got a small pan here, which is on a medium heat. In goes the vinegar, the soy, the star anise, the sugar. Brown works better, but you can use white if you want. And the ketchup. Now what we're going to do is we're going to, on this medium heat, just cook this for about 5 minutes. We want all of that sugar to dissolve. The only other thing that I'm going to add here now is some black pepper. You could use white pepper if you want. So yeah, about 5 minutes, stir it up. We've got a nice, easy, beautiful sweet and sour sauce there. Okay, off goes the heat. You've got a lovely, quick, easy, beautiful sweet and sour there. Now it's still quite thin. If you wanted to use this, I'm going to be using this to make some sweet and sour pork. But if you wanted to use this for, just like a dip or something like that, you could get a little bit of cornstarch in there or corn flour, which by the way is the same thing. Just get a little slurry. So, get a little bowl, a little bit of water, a couple of teaspoons of cornstarch, mix it in, and then you'll get that kind of thickened sweet and sour. But yeah, beautiful. Let's set that aside. Let's move on. Okay, so I've got a large pan here, wok or something like that you're going to need. In there, I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you can use a different oil if you want. We've got our pork here, which we're going to drop in. I've cubed this. I'm using a pork loin. You can use belly pork if you want. If you're going to use belly pork, you might need to drain some of the fat off because it's quite fatty, so after you've cooked it, you might need to drain it off. This is quite a nice lean cut. There's like 3 cups in total there. We're on an above medium heat, and just by itself, I'm going to throw this around for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then we're going to start adding some fabulous ingredients. So if you did use belly pork, you're going to get a lot more fat there now. So you might want to drain some of it off. But because I've gone with this nice lean cut, we're fine actually. Okay, we're now going to add 1 cup of onion, which I've sliced. We're now going to add a tablespoon here of minced garlic and ginger. It's about a tablespoon of the 2 mixed together. If you want, you can just slice it up. Chop it up or slice it, up to you. But yeah, this is a minced version. Another 4 minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving all the time now. So I've just turned the heat down now to below medium. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our sweet and sour sauce, drop that in. I'm also going to add to this some fish sauce. Fish sauce is very salty, so maybe just a little teaspoon or something like that. So on this medium heat, let it go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Then we're going to add just a few more ingredients, and we've done it. It's beautiful. Okay, look, you can see that that's thickened up nicely, really beautiful. Right, only one more stage to go. We're going to get some bell peppers, like 1 cup of bell peppers, chunky cut. Green onions, spring onions or scallions, chunky cut, 1 cup. 1 cup of white onion, chunky cut. In it goes. Turn off the heat, stir that around. This is done, it's beautiful. And there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful, easy sweet and sour pork. Serve that with some sticky plain rice, delicious. I'll see you soon. Keep well, keep safe. Lots of love.